Calgary, ever pondered on the idea of spearheading your own handyman business? Welcome to the world of iHandyMan franchise opportunity. We are actively seeking zealous individuals in the Calgary area who yearn for the perks of brand recognition, all while operating a simple, lucrative home-based venture. Consider the unit franchise, your perfect springboard into the handyman industry. This opportunity positions you to interact directly with residential and light commercial customers. Be it as a hands-on owner-operator or leading a team, the choice is entirely up to you. The need for iHandyMan services is universal, and this is your golden ticket to convert this demand into a prosperous business. For larger projects, you can recruit external contractors, managing projects for your clients from the comfort of your home office. It's your business, your choice, with or without staff. Starting at an affordable fee of just $39,900, our handyman franchise opportunity equips you with the necessary tools and support to build a successful and satisfying enterprise. In summary, the iHandyMan franchise opportunity offers you the chance to dive into a rewarding business venture. You'll benefit from brand recognition, a home-based business model, and comprehensive support from our experienced team. Calgary, don't let this opportunity pass you by. Visit our website at gfobrands.com/iHandyman to explore our franchise opportunities.